How to install Narva Model 35 plug and play trailer lamps. Remove the old trailer lamps and wiring. If necessary, measure and drill new holes in the trailer for the screws on the lamps. Then install the lamps and tightly secure in place using the supplied nuts and washers. Drill a hole for the license plate lamp above the license plate. Remove the license plate lamp cover. Mark and drill holes for the screws. Secure the lamp in place and replace the cover. Lay out the wiring harness around the trailer and connect the plugs, ensuring the arrows on the connectors line up before connecting. Using cable ties or clips, secure the harness every 300 millimeters. Any excess cable should be bundled together and secured with cable ties. Now connect the trailer plug to the main harness. Insert the trailer plug into the vehicle socket. And finally, check to ensure all the lights are functioning correctly.